All right, guys, so I just wanted to do a quick review on these Peerless spa baskets. Guys, these have to be some of the best baskets I think I've seen. They make perfect gifts for Valentine's, anniversaries, Mother's Day, any day, like literally any kind of thing going on. These would make perfect gifts because, for one, if you're like me, like I in a million years cannot have pieced how perfect these baskets are just from, they have like bath bombs, they have like some mittens, they have like thing for massaging oil, shampoo, conditioner, candles. They have everything, and it's all a thing. So everything on here is lavender style, and all this one is like a warm vanilla. This one's a more premium one. It's just a little bit bigger. But what I love about both, one, it's all natural ingredients, one, but they're all full size too. So like the brush, it's like a massager, like everything in on here is super premium. So like I said, if you're looking for an amazing next gift, that like literally like you just order it, like whoever's putting these together like knows what they're doing. Like I said, out of the box, like I literally just opened it and it's this. So like almost little to no effort on that piece. Because like I said, I'm a last minute person, so Peerless always comes through for me. Put this back, and the baskets are beautiful. They make great gifts. Probably Mother's Day, over here Valentine's Day. I don't know, but like you can see, you can make them for whatever you like. And if you're looking for an amazing basket with all natural ingredients, these by Peerless, I would highly recommend. 10 out of 10.